Hey, how's it going guys? Stefan is here. Welcome back for another video. This is a quick update about the products that I unboxed kind of yesterday. Okay, so I don't know what's going on. So all the products I ordered yesterday was okay. So the newer microphone is used. So this is from Amazon warehouse. That's completely fine. I check it. The microphone works fine. Also, the Behringer XM5800, the dynamic microphone also works. Again, from Amazon warehouse. This is completely fine. So all the microphones cost £10. That's completely insane. So that's fine. The cables that I ordered, the XLR cables, XLR cables for the microphone, female to male. You need cables if you want to connect the microphones to your audio interface. They're new. That's completely fine. I paid like £6. So you can watch the video here or maybe here, left, right. So you can watch the video from yesterday to see what exactly I ordered. Also the stand that you can see it here. This is the Moki stand. Again, this is a used stand. It's completely fine. It's like a brand new. There's no scratches, anything. I think somebody ordered it and they returned it. The original price for the stand is like £25, but I pay like £12. So again, half price. Again, used product. Fine. Some people, they just buy the products, they check it, they use it once, twice, they see, they return it. So that's completely fine. But the audio interface that I ordered from Focusrite Scarlett 2i2 third generation, actually, I'm gonna show you the pictures. I'm gonna put the pictures on the screen now just to see. I didn't notice when I recorded the video yesterday, but the box is not being sealed properly. As you can see, usually when you open a box, there's a sticker that is on the top. It means that this is brand new. Also, the product that was in the box, as you can see, the plastic, it's open. This is not sealed. So I don't know what is the problem with this product. I ordered it brand new. This is not being ordered from the Amazon warehouse. And I tested it. It works fine. But you know what? I decided to return the Focusrite Scarlett 2A2 third generation because I don't know. This looks fishy for me. I don't know if this product is new, which I believe is new, but why this product is not sealed and the audio interface is like, I don't know, in this bag is not sealed. The box is not sealed as well. And I don't know, I tried to get a replacement. They said that they don't do replacements. I can get a refund. So I returned it today actually. I just posted to the post office. And my return is being accepted. Everything is fine. So I don't know if I'm going to order the Scarlett 2i2. Let me know in the comments down below. What do you think? Should I order the Scarlett 2i2 third generation or should I order something else? Actually, I have another option, SSL2. I think it's SSL2. This is another audio interface. Basically, this is the interface which actually I think is made in UK, which that's completely fine. I think I'm gonna put this on the screen just to have idea. And the price currently on Amazon is £159. And this is quite popular audio interfaces. I mean, you can find a lot of interfaces, don't get me wrong. There's a ton of interfaces, but the most popular one is the Scarlett 2i2 third generation and the Solo as well. So I don't know, should I order the Scarlett 2i2 or should I order the SSL? This one looks more professional and it has, I don't know, Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think, guys? I mean, I just need your help. Plus, something very important, don't forget, this week is the Prime, Amazon Prime. So on 21st, also on 22nd, I believe. Yeah, 21st, 22nd is the Prime, Amazon Prime. So it's gonna be a lot of deals, and I kinda think, it's a great time. I return it. I think it's a great time. The Scarlet UA 2, because I don't know. I'm thinking for the SSL, or for the Scarlet. I don't know. The Scarlet is okay. It's the most popular one, but this one looks more professional. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below. Also, don't forget all the deals for the Prime Day. It's gonna be a lot of deals. Um, I think this is for UK now. I don't know if in other countries it's the same, but it should be probably the same. But for UK, the Prime Day, remember, is on 21st and 22nd of June. Now we are 15th of June, so I'm going to upload this video straight away. So if you watch this video tomorrow or day after, let me know in the comments down below. So yeah, I didn't have luck with my audio interface and with all my microphones. I know the microphones are cheap, newer, and the Behringer, but yeah, it's gonna be fun to test that next week. So yeah, so make sure to subscribe, like the video, and turn your bell notifications to see which audio interface I order. Or leave your comments down below. Should I order the SSL, or should I order the Focusrite? So yeah, let me know in the comments down below, guys. As always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Wow, like a rock star. See ya.